Brought to you by SCDN out of Portsmouth, Ohio, the largest news source in Southern Ohio. And because news pairs well with a good drink, we occasionally throw in a few ideas for what to sip while you read and watch. Our best spring cocktail recipes are fresh and inviting, like opening up the windows on that first warm April day. The perfect spring cocktail should check a few boxes. It should taste great outdoors, highlight seasonal produce like rhubarb and fresh herbs, be flavorful, and preferably a little fizzy. There's plenty of room for classics like the mint julep, which is all but mandatory for drinking in May, a minty Southside, and a pretty in purple aviation. Beyond these, you'll find a delightful riff on a cosmopolitan that's bright and bubbly, as well as an equally sparkling twist on a Pimm's cup. There are also plenty of lower ABV cocktails that still offer layers of flavor in a lighter format that's perfect for casual al fresco gatherings. As soon as daylight saving time hits and the temperatures steadily climb, shake or stir up one of these essential spring cocktails. The classic Aperol Spritz recipe on the back of the Aperol bottle calls for 3 parts Prosecco, or other sparkling wine, 2 parts Aperol, and a splash of soda. The concoction is fizzy and vibrantly orange in flavor, softly sweet, and just a tiny bit bitter. Perfect for sipping before dinner as an aperitivo. Earlier versions of the Spritz use Select, which some tasters find more complex, or Campari, which is quite a bit more bitter and bracing. But you can spritz with whatever bittersweet liqueur you prefer, or even combine 2 of your favorites. Adjusting the ratio of Aperol and fizz can give you a more refreshing and less sweet spritz. If you start with 3 ounces of sparkling wine, the standard 2 full ounces of Aperol yield a juicy orange soda-like drink. Decreasing the Aperol by half an ounce makes a spritz that's much more balanced and significantly less sweet. That's the winner for me. This Aperol Spritz recipe is refreshing, but still packed with sunny, citrusy flavor. Cutting down the Aperol even further gives you a thirst quencher, but the flavor feels almost watered down. On a really hot day, it might be preferred. Beyond the ratio, the other secret to the best Aperol Spritz is in the order of pouring. If you add the Aperol first, it'll sink to the bottom of the glass and just sit there since it's heavier than the other ingredients in this easy cocktail. Start with the sparkling wine instead, and make sure it's chilled so it doesn't lose its fizz. Then add the Aperol so it can sink into the drink. Ingredients: 3 Oz. Prosecco or other sparkling wine, chilled 112 Oz. Aperol, 1 Oz. Club soda, chilled orange wheel, for serving. Fill a wine glass halfway with ice, then slowly pour in 3 Oz. Prosecco, 112 Oz. Aperol, and 1 Oz. Club soda. Gently stir once and garnish with an orange wheel. Chick Magnet is a playful spring cocktail that instantly brings a bright tropical feel to the table. With vanilla vodka, pineapple juice, fresh lemon juice, and a touch of simple syrup, this drink blends citrus and fruit flavors into a smooth, refreshing cocktail that is perfect for Easter celebrations and warm weather gatherings. The ingredients in this cocktail work together to create a smooth and refreshing drink. Each component plays a role in balancing sweetness and citrus. 2 Oz vanilla vodka, 2 Oz pineapple juice, 0.75 Oz lemon juice, 0.5 Oz simple syrup, cherry and pineapple wedge with leaves for garnish. Making the Chick Magnet cocktail takes just a few minutes and requires minimal preparation. Add the vanilla vodka, pineapple juice, lemon juice, and simple syrup to a shaker tin. Fill with ice and shake for 12 to 15 seconds until well chilled. Strain into a chilled Nick and Nora, coupe, or martini glass. To make the garnish, slide a cocktail pick through the thick end of a pineapple leaf. Add a cherry to the pick so it rests against the leaf, then thread the pick back through the thin end of the leaf to secure it. Rest the pineapple leaf and cherry cocktail pick across the rim of the glass. Serve and enjoy your Chick Magnet cocktail. The finished drink should look bright and clear with a citrus aroma and tropical flavor. This blueberry lemon drop slush features lemon blueberry, our favorite spring flavor combination, with a nostalgic frozen texture. And plenty of booze, naturally. A frozen cocktail may seem daunting at first glance, but it's a lot easier to assemble than you'd think. The base of the slush is made from only 3 ingredients, and a can of frozen lemonade concentrate does most of the heavy lifting. The intense tart, sweet flavor means that you can skip any extra sweeteners. This slush is delicious enough on its own, but I double down on the spring flavors with a simple blueberry syrup swirled into the glass. This is similarly simple to put together, just blueberry preserves and a splash of lemon juice. The lemon juice helps loosen up the thick preserves and adds an extra boost of brightness. Pro tip, you don't have to limit yourself to just blueberries here. I think this slush would taste just as delicious with other fruit preserves like raspberry, strawberry, or peach. Ingredients: 1 to 2 Oz, fresh lemon juice, plus more for glasses. Granulated sugar for glasses, 2 TBSP. Blueberry preserves 10 Oz. Frozen lemonade, 2 cups ice cubes, about 8 Oz. 5 Oz. Vodka, lemon wheels, and fresh blueberries for garnish directions. Step 1. Squeeze some lemon juice into a small bowl. Place sugar on a plate. Dip rims of 2 glasses into lemon juice, then into sugar. In a small bowl, combine blueberry preserves and 1 to 2 Oz. Lemon juice. Step 2. In a blender, blend frozen lemonade, ice, and vodka until smooth. Step 3. Spoon, 1 TBSP. Blueberry mixture into base of each prepared glass. Divide lemon drop between glasses, then spoon remaining blueberry mixture over top. Garnish with lemon wheels and fresh blueberries. Around here, we like to keep things simple. And this bright, citrusy slush does exactly that, delivering a fresh, flavorful sip that's ready whenever you are. It might not fix everything, but for a few minutes, these drinks are cold, they are sweet, and they get the job done. And around here, that counts for something. SCDN. We don't do the news in the same old way because it ain't the same old world.